Alright, there's the inside camera, ready to film the carnage. Inside here, we had some worms growing. Since the worms didn't get eaten fast enough by the little one, they became these little buggers. So, now we're going to drop these in on Toady. Let's see if he notices them. Toady! Toady! Psst, psst, psst. Come on, buddy. You're gonna have to do some editing, I can tell. Come on, buddy. He's missing them. They're right there, right there. Oh, and the other ones took off. Maybe there's no carnage, man. You're killing my filming, buddy. He's noticing. Whoa, he's too fast for me. Oh. That was good. Oh, but you're totally blocking the other camera. Whoa, was that one? I didn't even know that was one. You can hear it crunching. Damn, the other camera's gotta be getting it good. Oh, that was great. I set up the shot with the camera right on the bug and he came right over for the... Oh, that's going to look cool. I got to redo this better. This is the drawing board test. Wow. Wow. Hey, there's more in there, buddy. There's more. Yeah, you gotta find them. There's three more. There's three more. 1, 2, 3. See, off camera you can't see, but I'm going like this 1, 2, 3 like that, and he's looking. Aren't you looking? He's looking with his left eye now. Let's go to the other side. Let's see, I bet they scurried under there. Where did they go? I'm just sitting there. He's tripping, waiting for me to show him the next location. Oh, there's one right there in the treehouse. Oh. There's one right in that wood right there. Oh, come on, where'd it go? Oh, there's two of them. They hit on the wood. Good job, buddy. Good job. Still think he reminds me of the dude from Star Wars Episode 2 that Obi-Wan goes to see. Burr, 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 burr. This is our roving reporter right here. Oh, is it feeling?